So in this video, we're going to cover leg raises, a fantastic exercise for the core. And with a few little minor tweaks and tips, you can make this super efficient for yourself by either making it more difficult or a little bit easier based on your fitness level. Let's get into it. All right, so for you beginners, I'd recommend that you start with this version right here where we have our hands in front of our glutes. That's going to help you hold your lower back into the ground, which is what you want to do when performing the leg raise. If you're a little more advanced or strong, you can place your hands on the ground as kind of a wedge, which is going to help you project your legs and core off the ground. As long as our knees are passing our belly button for the most part, or we're coming off the ground, your core is going to be engaged. And you're also going to get a fantastic stretch on the way down, depending on how slow you're going. Here we can see that my hands are more in a knuckle form in front of my bum. Again, this is great if you're new or if you just want to take it easier if you're learning the exercise. How far down your legs go as well is going to affect the difficulty. So if you're not too strong yet, or you're just learning this one, your legs might only go halfway. As you become more strong or your core develops, you're going to be able to get those legs closer to the ground. What we want to make sure happens here is that our lower back is arched so that it's sucked onto the ground. If you were on your back doing the leg raise, I shouldn't be able to get my hand onto your lower back. If you start to feel your lower back peeling off the ground, that's your body telling you, we're done here, let's bring those legs up. And that's going to be how far you progress the exercise for now. As you get stronger, you're going to be able to project yourself off the ground into these little jumps that you can do. And your goal would be to try and control the downward motion going into the stretch. Here's another view of what it looks like with the knuckles on the ground, holding my bum in place or holding my lower back against the ground. And then as I get stronger, you'll see that I'm able to take my hands away and my actual core will be the one holding my lower back on the ground. Now breathing for this one's going to be pretty straightforward. And our stretch portion or on the way down, you're going to fill up your stomach with air through your nose. That's going to help stabilize you. And you can exhale as you're coming up or popping yourself off the ground. Now I myself love a challenge, and this exercise leads into what are called dragon flags, which I'll go over in another video. This last clip's just going to show you a few variations in one quick shot of some variety that you can do with the leg raise. The last one being alternating leg raises. So have fun with this one, give it a shot, test yourself, make sure lower back stays on the ground and your breathing synced up. And that's all you really got to think about on this guy. Enjoy. Thank you guys for watching this video till the end. If you found this helpful for either yourself or someone that you know, please leave a like or a comment. And if you want to be notified when I post new videos, definitely consider subscribing. Remember that practice makes progress.